Maximizing the benefits of the Employee Retention Credit. Welcome back to our video series on the Employee Retention Credit Program. In this video, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you maximize the benefits of the credit for your business. Tip 1. Identify all eligible employees. Make sure you're aware of the criteria for qualified employees, such as the number of hours they work and their compensation. By including all eligible employees, you can maximize the credit amount. Tip 2. Keep accurate records. It's essential to maintain proper documentation to support your claim for the Employee Retention Credit. This includes records of revenue decline, government orders, and any other relevant documents. Tip 3. Consult with a professional. The tax laws and regulations surrounding the Employee Retention Credit can be complex. Consider working with a knowledgeable filing firm who can guide you through the process and ensure you're optimizing your benefits. We offer consulting services that will help you navigate the process. We can file everything for you. Tip 4. Stay updated on changes and guidance. The IRS frequently releases updates and clarifications regarding the Employee Retention Credit. Stay informed about any changes that may affect your eligibility or the calculation of the credit. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance implementing these strategies, you can click the link in the description below or visit bit.ly/BLSreferral to schedule a phone call with me. I'm here to help you navigate the complexities and optimize your benefits. There's nothing for you to invest up front. We get paid when you get your refund. Book a call with us today. Visit https://bit.ly/BLSreferral. Get started.